Yeah, we'll get it better. Hi, I'm Teryn and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new, I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and life content. If that interests you, please be sure to check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe. I am super excited about this video. In this video, I am doing a twist out routine. I don't think I've done this on my channel, and if I have, I've done it once. I did a poll on my Instagram and on the YouTube community, and the Instagram has more votes on it as of this point, and everyone has voted for a twist out. So that is what I'm gonna be doing, and I'll probably do a braid out later on. So I'm super excited to do this twist out. I haven't done a twist out in a really long time. I've been doing predominantly wash and goes pretty much all the time. Like, I'm a wash and go girl. That's just what I do. So I'm super excited to do this twist out routine. I'm kind of nervous because I haven't done it in a while. I'm going to do this twist out on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to use one product. I'm going to use the Dew Most Def Mousse. I've used this on my channel before. It's a texture foam high definition control mousse. I have my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush just in case I need to smooth out any tangles or just to have a smoother finish when it comes to the twist out. And I have 2 clips already in my hair, but I have 2 more. And then I just have a hand towel just in case I need to like wipe off any product or, you know, just to keep it clean. But my hair is soaking wet. I just got out the shower not too long ago, so I'm gonna do this on freshly washed hair. And I do have a wash routine in case you were wondering. I have that posted and I will link it in the description box. My comment of the week is from Alicia Glover. She commented on my wash and go routine video, and she said you can purchase the 32-ounce bottle from the Uncle Funky's website. Thank you so much for that comment. I already knew they had a big bottle of it, but I'm very big on pricing things and trying to get the best buy. So when I went to price it, it's actually a better deal, at least as of when I priced it, to get 2 of the 18-ounce bottles. Like, I understand wanting to just have the big bottle, but I was like, it's actually a better deal to just get 2 of the 18-ounce bottles versus that one 32-ounce bottle. So that's just a tip for me in case it's the same price. But yeah, I always like to see, like, is this really like the best deal? So I'm gonna do like medium to large size twists. I'm saying that now, but like knowing as I get into it, I have no idea what they'll actually look like. I'm not gonna focus too much on parting my hair because I don't really care. I don't really care for my twist out to be like super grit-like or structured. I haven't done a twist out or a braid out with this new haircut of mine, so this will be interesting to see. I'm just gonna part it by my hands and just kind of get going. And I know it's easier to dry smaller size twists, but the thing is, since I'm going to be sitting underneath a dryer, it does not matter. So I'm going to take a pump of the Dew texture foam. Here we have it. I'm just gonna take this detangler brush. See, I detangled my hair well in the shower, so pretty good here. And I'm just gonna twist it like very normal. I know some people will flat twist at the roots, but I'm not super particular about that right now. I think this is just like a video to try to see if I can still manage a twist out. Okay. And I'm gonna take these out tomorrow before work. It's like another big section. They're pretty big, so I'm gonna split this into two. So I'm actually like looking at this. I don't know. I'll be interested to see how this looks. Okay, so that is it with my twist. Don't have that many twists in my hair. That's what the back looks like. Okay, so I am gonna add these clips as I go to dry my hair, just so that like my roots will be a little less puffy. I think because I will be drying underneath the dryer and not just air drying, I think that will help with my roots not being as puffy. I'm not really concerned about that because, you know, I do love like a nice puffy root, but I also like, as I'm sitting there, I don't want it to like be getting in my face. So I'm gonna go sit underneath the dryer. Okay, so I'm getting ready to take out these twists. And last night I slept with the bonnet on when I should have slept with the scarf, so I put on the scarf early this morning. So we'll see how this ends up. I kind of had some faith in it. So okay, I'm just gonna start untwisting. Okay, so my hair has a little bit of a stickiness that I don't really like. And I'm pretty sure I got now all of the twist. It's okay. I feel like I can work with this. I gotta like do my, I can work with this. But I'm gonna spritz my hair with some water just to see that kind of does something. And I'm wondering if I should have applied more water while applying the dews to my hair. So like you can see like this is cute, but I'm gonna try to like get this to chill out, so I'll be back. So I'm gonna take this off and just like see what I have going on up underneath here. So this isn't as defined as I mentioned. I wasn't really going for that look. I do love like a flowier style, but I feel like I put too much water on this, so part of this is my fault, and I think I just need to find a better technique. Like I mentioned, I haven't done a twist out in so long, so I'm gonna play around with this some more because I do like the look of it, like my haircut, but like a little bit more like voluminous, because usually when I do a wash and go, it takes a couple of days for it to get more voluminous. And I think I might just apply more water while doing the twist out when I'm applying like the product. I think that could help, but like this isn't super divine, which is not really what I was going for, but I kind of like to have like a happy medium. Like this just looks like a, I don't know, but I can work with this. I'm just going to work. Thank you to everyone that voted. I'm definitely gonna try braid out next. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any tips for me, let me know in the comments. As always, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.